It's a recording. Yeah. All right. Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. Can you see it? Yeah. So I'm going to, I started already dumping these vertical gardens that I had filled up from Dollar Tree last season into this raised bed. And I think I'm going to make that into my raised bed for carrots. So yeah, I've been doing that, and I'm like, well, why don't I just hop on and show you guys? It's so much going on in the garden right now. We're cleaning. It's so, oh my goodness. So many supplies are all over the place from out of there. We're trying to clean in there. Then we got to clean up out here, but I'm still not done with the project inside the garden I was telling you about. And I'm trying to get it all before the summer season comes in, because spring is here and I already planted out my spring crop. But I need to continue, to prepare for my summer. Now it's a lot because every year we've been trying something new. So I'm trying to rearrange the garden and clean it up at the same time. And it's just taking a minute, you know, because I'm trying to put it in a way that I'm visualizing, you know. This doesn't have to be super neat or super cute, but I want it to be better organized because my gardens have been overfilled and a mess. Okay. And I'm trying to alleviate some of that by putting it in order. This is good soil. By trying to do it a little better, organize it a little better. It was supposed to rain today, it didn't. But it is cold and it's supposed to be in the low 20s tonight. So, yeah, I'm still preparing my bed. Got to get out when I can to get things done. There are some sticks. Well, yeah, I want to make this into my carrot bed. I'm trying to move all of those berries, all the blueberries were up against the fence. You can't see me, you see my legs, but the blueberries were up against the fence that way. And I'm trying to move all of that into the area that I'm telling you guys about. I'm also trying to make it better for the grapes and my honeysuckle over there inside the garden. So it's a whole lot, guys. I don't know if I'll get everything done before the season starts, but I do have one spot that's almost done. So I'm doing one side kinda at a time, kinda. Because at one side I was telling you about, I'm almost done with it, but not quite. And then I want to make sure this is filled because I have some carrots that are supposed to get pretty big and pretty long. So I want this filled. I definitely want this filled. There's a big stick in here, which is fine, but it needs to be at the bottom. And that's towards the top. And I'm just breaking up what I just put in there. I had these from last season, and then some Stay Green, the $2 Stay Green from Lowe's, and then what's this, the Kellogg bag that I had from last year. Wait, no, I think that was like 2 years ago. That Kellogg, yeah, the Kellogg was from 2 years ago. and I forgot I had it sitting over here. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna dump it in here, and I may end up dumping. I don't know if I want to dump the buckets in here and just refresh the buckets with fresh soil. I don't know. I might. As a matter of fact, I think I will because they have weeds in them, and then I just break the weeds up, and dump the soil in. Yeah, because this is some pretty good soil. You can't see me. Let me. Ooh, they got good water, good bugs under there. Okay. Oh, that's better. It's heavy from when it rained. So yeah, I think this was. Let me see. Nope, that was a weed. I was gonna say I think this was some basil, because it kind of looked like it, but no, it's not. These are weeds. But yeah, guys, when you're trying to rearrange, I mean, it does take a lot, but it's my garden, so I feel like it's worth it. I really feel like it's worth it to move all this stuff. I try something new almost every year anyway, so I'm fine with that. I'm looking around because I've seen the snakes in here recently in the garden. I don't want it. Oh, ooh. All right, that's one down. And I probably just need this one, to be honest. I don't think I need any more. It's all the way down in there. And then I'm going to use, I'm just trying to break up the roots with this. And get my fork over here. I hope you guys can hear me, because I'm definitely trying to get this done and out of the way. Okay. I'm going to mix the wet up. And I able to get my sticks I didn't see, the tags I didn't see in here from last year. Ooh. All right. And I said, oh wait, I said onion. I said onion for this bed, not carrots. This is a good onion bed. I don't know. No, I don't know, because that's where I was debating between the two. Obviously, I have not decided. I don't know. Maybe, maybe I'll do onion on one side and carrots on the other. I don't know. Yeah, this is filled enough. It's filled enough. I don't know, guys. What I want to do. I could be using this wrong, but I feel like it evened it out better than I've evened anything out. Man, I don't know. Because I have onions that I'm growing from seed in the house. So I don't know if I'm just going to make this the onion bed or the carrot bed. Oh, oh man, that sucks. I don't know anymore now. I think onion. I think I'm going to put the onion in here. Yeah. I'm putting onion in there because maybe it'll protect, maybe. And then the border, I want to put mint on the ground. I know it takes over, but I would rather mint take over than any of this other stuff that's been taken over. So yeah, I'm gonna put my onions in this bag. It's in between these two. Don't mind my garden, y'all. I'm cleaning it up. I'm gonna put my onions in this bag that I just fixed up. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I think that'll be fine. And I think I'm satisfied with that. That way, that one bed, at least something over here on this side is done while I complete the other side. I feel a little better and that I know where something's going. Yeah, that's perfect. And then the onion sets that I had bought, they've already been planted and are growing. So we're going to have onion in two different spots. So I'm pretty excited about that. And we'll try to get this garden together.